Very good morning, all of you. So today we'll start exercise 14A. So in this exercise 14A, if you observe, one table is there. So in this table, 4 parameter is there. First is length, second is breadth, third is area, and fourth is perimeter. So अगर आप इस टेबल को अच्छे से देख रहे हो, in this table something is missing, like some in first part a length is given, area is given. We will find out the breadth and we will find out the perimeter. So if I take this question, very simple question, always remember दो तीन फॉर्मूला मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, short formula that you have to remember. Suppose if you want to find out the breadth, then formula is, that is, we can say area divided by length. So breadth is equals to, we know, area divided by length. Yeah, we can say length is equals to area divided by breadth. So these are the small simple formula we can say. अब देखो इसमें क्या क्या दे रखा है. In first question we need to find out the breadth. अगर आपको breadth find करना है, so we can say breadth is equals to, area is how many? 15. So 15 upon that is 5, and 15 upon 5 is equals to how many? 15 upon 5 is equals to 3. So write down here 3 meter. Done. So length we know, breadth we know. So we will find out the perimeter. And what is the formula of perimeter? 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 multiply L is equals to 5. Breadth is equals to 3. So we can say 2 multiply 5 plus 3, that is 8, is equals to 16 meter. ये चीज आपको सबसे पहले अच्छे से याद रखना होगा. जब आप पेरीमीटर फाइंड करोगे, then unit should be in meter, but when you find out in area, then unit should be in meter square. So दो चीज आपका different है. So all of you remember. So the answer will be how many? 16 meter. Done. First part done. इसी तरीके से आपका सारे क्वेश्चन है. If you observe here, same question is there. Just take out next. This is 16 meter. Okay. Now in the second question, similarly 5 centimeter is given, but here area is not given. आपको इसमें perimeter दे रखा है. So again one formula for from perimeter and length, how we'll find out the breadth. So breadth का formula ये होता है perimeter divided by 2 minus length. So perimeter how many? 24 upon 2 minus length कितना है हमारे पास? 5 centimeter. So 24 upon 2 minus 5, how many? Yes, Ashish? 24 upon 2 minus 5, that is equals to 7 meter. So write down here 7 meter. So if length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 7 centimeters, so area is equals to how many? Area of, this is actually rectangle. This is the question of rectangle, that's why. Okay, so area of rectangle, L into B. So 5 into 7, 35 meter square. Chalo. This is also done. Now next question. So in this question, same question, कुछ भी changes नहीं है, बस आपका इसमें length के जगह breadth दे रखा है, and we need to find out length. So this question you have to solve yourself. Yes or no? कर सकते हो ना ये question? तो चलो ये question आपका homework रह जाएगा. Now we'll find out breadth is given, area is given. We need to find out length. Now tell me now fast, what is the length? Area is given, breadth is given, we need to find out length. So length is equals to area divided by breadth. Very good. So 480 upon 30, 0 से 0 cancel, 3 how many times? 16 times. So L is equals to 16 meter. Yes, nice. So L is equals to 16 meter. Okay. So length हमारे पास आ गया 16. Breadth we know. Perimeter find करना है. So very easy. 2 into L plus breadth. That is 2 multiply 16 plus 30 is equals to 46. Is equals to how many? 92 centimeter. Not centimeter is given. Actually this is centimeter. Okay. So write down here 92 centimeter. Done. So first question we are done. So now we'll move next question. Now we'll move next question, question number 2. So actually question number 2 also very easy. Just check it out. लग रहा है इतना बड़ा question है, but है कुछ नहीं. Very easy. Just try to understand the question. So in question number 2, find the area. So area find कर लेंगे and perimeter also. Formula we know already. What is the formula of perimeter of square? Perimeter of square formula 4 multiply side and area of square side multiply by sides. So first of all, I will make one diagram of the square. In first part, PQ is equals to QR is equals to 20 centimeter. Means we can say जो भी आपका साइड दे रखा है वो सारे साइड इक्वल है. So in first part, all the sides are 20 centimeter each. You can make the diagram, no issue. PQRS, and in this diagram, in this square, we can say each and every side is 20 centimeter. So if it is 20, it is 20. All the sides are 20. Then first of all, we need to find out the area. What is the formula of area of square? Side multiply by side, and side multiply by side is equals to 400 centimeter. Yes, so done. And perimeter also we need to find out. Perimeter का formula, yes, anyone know what is the formula of perimeter? Now only I said 4 into side, so 4 into 20, that is how many? 80 centimeter square. No sir, 80 centimeter. So that is your complete first part. ठीक है, इस तरीके से तो आप इसको भी कर सकते हो. Anyone know what is the square of 12? Remember, yes, correct, 144. बट इसमें आपको पॉइंट का ध्यान रखना है, उसके हिसाब से मैं आपको बता नहीं रहा हूँ. हाउ सॉरी, हाउ विल फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर ऑफ द like what is the perimeter and what is the area. ये आपका होमवर्क रहेगा. All of you just note down, and this question you will need to solve yourself. Okay, now next question. Question number 3. Now it is very important question. Obviously it is very important question. ये question इतना easily आपको अगर square आता हो then you can easily solve. Otherwise you can't solve easily. So all of you see. First of all, in this question we will find out the perimeter. ठीक है, किस चीज का perimeter? Square का. Okay. So here area is given. We need to find out the perimeter. सबसे पहले आपको मुझे बताओ perimeter का formula क्या होता है? 4 into side, correct sir. But sir, side is not given. How will find out the side? Area से क्या आप side find कर सकते हो? Area से क्या आप side find कर सकते हो? Yes sir, we can find out. So if area is given, then one formula always remember: side of square. Side of square formula is root over area. Root over area. And root over 64 is equals to 8. Very good. So we can say side is equals to, side of the square is equals to 8 centimeter. आ गया sir, side आ गया, बहुत easy way. So now we'll find out the perimeter. So perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiply by side, and 4 multiply by 8 centimeter is equals to 32 centimeter. Done sir, finished. So we can say this is very easy question. सबसे पहले आपको ये याद रखना होगा सर, हमें सबसे पहले साइड फाइंड करना हो. So how we will find out the side? First of all, we will find out the side, and after that we will find out the perimeter. Okay. Now next question. This one exactly same question. Area is given. Yes sir. We need to find out the side. So side is equals to root over area and root over 225. फटाफट बता मुझे, what is the square root of 225? Yes, anyone? 225? 15. Yes, 1.5 we can say. Here point is there. इसको आपको याद रखना होगा. 1.5 is the side. So perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. And if you multiply 15 into 4, 60 will come. But यहाँ पे 0 है, इसको ध्यान रखते हुए. So your answer will be 6 meter. Answer will be 6 meter. So that is your complete answer. Question number 3 is done. Next question. Question number 4. Okay. So in question number 4, इसमें देखते हैं अब क्या दे रखा है. देखो ये just opposite question. पिछले वाला क्वेश्चन में आपको एरिया दे रखा था and we find that perimeter, but in this question perimeter is given, we need to find out the area. So we can say, इसमें आपको देखो ध्यान से देखना, perimeter is given. So perimeter जब दे रखा होगा क्वेश्चन के अंदर, always remember when perimeter is given like we can say how many 20 centimeter, and if we want to find out the side, अगर हमें side find करना हो, when perimeter is given and if we want to find out the side, then perimeter को आप simply 4 से divide कर दो. क्यों सर? Because we know perimeter is equals to 4 into side. Yes or no? So अगर आपको side find करना हो तो perimeter divided by 4. So perimeter upon 4 is equals to how many? 5 centimeter. चलो सर side तो आ गया बहुत easily. Now how will find out the area? So area is equals to side multiply by side. Side multiply by side, or we can say 5 into 5, that is 25 centimeter square. Done. बस इतने से था. Okay, so this question is very easy. But इसका जो next part है, this is all of you understood. You can write down also. You can pause the video and you can write down. No issue. And ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है सेकंड, इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको चेंजेस आ सकते, इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है, बट इसको ध्यान से देखना. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का सेकंड पार्ट. इन दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो पेरीमीटर इज गिवन बट इन किलोमीटर. बट योर क्वेश्चन सेज फाइंड आउट एरिया इज इक्वल्स टू इन हेक्टर. सो इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन हियर पेरीमीटर इज गिवन 8 kilometer, or 8 kilometer is equals to 8,000 meter. Yes or no? Because we know 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meter. So 8 kilometer is equals to 8,000 meter. And if I want to find out the side, I think all of you know side कैसे find कर सकते? Perimeter divided by 4. So 8,000 divided by 4, and that is 2,000 meter. चलो आ गया सर. Perimeter से हमारे पास side आ गया. Side we know, we will find out the area. So area is equals to, formula is side multiply by side. So 2,000 multiply by 2,000, and 2,000 multiply कर लो easily. 2 2 जा 4, and after that count करना है 0. 3 and 3 6 0. Write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 मीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया आ गया. बट हमें तो ये पूछा ही नहीं था सर. योर क्वेश्चन इज सेज राइट डाउन एरिया इन हेक्टर. अब हेक्टर का बात है, वी नो ऑलरेडी 1 हेक्टर इज इक्वल्स टू 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो 1 हेक्टर इज गिवन 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो अगर आपको मीटर स्क्वायर को हेक्टर में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन यू हैव टू डिवाइडेड बाय 10,000. दिस ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर. सो 0 0 0 0, this 0 cancel out. So how many remaining? 400. Yes, so we can say 400 hectare is the correct answer. So we can say this is your complete question number 4. Okay, तो आपको सबसे पहले ये ध्यान रखना होगा 1 hectare is equals to 10,000 मीटर स्क्वायर. हेक्टर को अगर मीटर स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करना है, so can multiply, but if you convert meter square to hectare, then you have to divide. Okay, so still question number 4 done. So this is question number 5 and last question for this lecture. All of you be concentrate. Question number 5. चलो, question number 5 में ये बोला है a metal plate measuring 32 centimeter by 12 centimeter. इसका मतलब क्या समझो? 32 centimeter by 12 centimeter means length is given 32 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter. Okay sir. Now this cut up to small squares of length 4 centimeter. मान लो हमारे पास एक मेटल प्लेट, और इस मेटल प्लेट से छोटे छोटे स्मॉल स्क्वायर में कट किया लाइक दिस, इसमें से लाइक दिस. ओके, so this type of small square how many we can cut? इस पूरे बिगर मेटल में से अगर हम स्मॉल कट करें इस तरीके से स्क्वायर, so how many we can cut? So for that one formula all of you remember, number of small square is equals to area of metal plate, okay, divided by area of what? Metal plate divided by area of small square. So students tell me area of metal plate. Area of metal plate किस shape में है? Rectangle. And what is the area of rectangle? Telling to be, so write down 32 multiplied by 12. And what is the area of small square? Side into side. So we can say side how many? 4 into 4. Now cancel them. 4 3 is 12. 4 8 is 32. So the answer is 8 3 is 24. So answer how many? 24. So we can cut from this bigger metal plate. We can cut 24 small square. Understood? आपके पास जो बिगर मेटल प्लेट था उसमें से छोटे छोटे अगर मेटल स्क्वायर प्लेट में कट करूं, सो हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ कट? 24 नंबर्स. फॉर्मूला क्या है? एरिया ऑफ मेटल प्लेट, एरिया ऑफ बिगर मेटल प्लेट अपॉन एरिया ऑफ स्मॉल स्क्वायर. That is the correct answer. So I think all of you understood. Still question number 5. Yes or no? So thank you. Have a nice day.